So here I'll start by first writing out a sub n, which is the nth term, which is a sum of the first n terms. So here a sub n would be 3 plus 7 plus 11, going all the way to the nth term of this arithmetic progression, which will be the first term plus the common difference, which is 4 times n minus 1. So this is the nth term. And we can figure this out. This is just a arithmetic sequence. So to find the sum, we first find the average. Average is the average of the first and last term. This is kind of how I always do it. I mean, yes, there's a direct formula, but this is more conceptual for me. So the average is 3 plus 2 times n minus 1. I can expand that. And that becomes 2n plus 1. And that means the sum would be number of terms times that. So n times 2n plus 1. So a sub n is this. And you can check that. For example, if we do 3 terms, a3 is 3 plus 7 plus 11, which is 21. If I plug in n equal to 3, that's 3 times, this is 2 times 3, 6 plus 1, 7, and that does match. So this is our nth term, and what we need to do is to add. So we can actually directly apply the summation to that, and then we have this 1 over 25, which is really actually just this n part to simplify things. So I can rewrite this by distributing that n, so that becomes 2n squared plus n, and I can split this into 2 times n summation n squared 1 to 25 plus summation 1 to 25 of n. So this is just the sum of first n natural numbers, which would just be n times n plus 1 over 2. This is an important formula that comes up on the CAT often. So here it would just be 25 times 25 plus 1 over 2, or 25 times 26 over 2, 25 times 13. Now I'll leave it in that form because we have this 1 over 25. Now the formula for the sum of the square of first n natural numbers, that's also, I would recommend that you memorize that. Memorize it with the understanding. Maybe also try to derive that on your own. And in this case, n is 25. So it would be 25 times 26 times 51 over 6. We also have that 2 here. 3, that's 17. So we have this plus that, and they're both being divided by 25. So this piece will become 26 over times 17, and that would just be 13. So that would be the final answer. And you can just use a calculator here. And 6, 2, 442 plus 13, which is 455. Answer choice C. So, I mean, this is a hard question. I think what I would recommend you to do is to make sure you understand these pieces here. That is a common one. This is less common, but make sure you know where it comes from. Perhaps derive that, or I think you can also show it by induction. Just make sure you understand that. And then also, you're summing these sum of arithmetic progression. And this is kind of related to triangular numbers. So maybe look that up and also see how to add the triangular numbers. It is related to this. And that would be a good exercise to kind of get all the foundation for these types of questions or the variations that might come in the future.